Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Mini Durham, back again with another video, and we've got another new arrival. It's 2022 Mini Cooper S 3-door. Alright, so this is the 2022 Mini Cooper S 3-door and Island Blue Metallic, and this is definitely, of course, with the new LCI design that we received in 2022, and we've also got some of the nice details on here. So we've got that nice air intake duct just down here, and the lower bumper, the grille has changed a little bit for 2022, and the side scuttles have changed. And this one we do have the 17-inch tentacle spoke wheels. Looks very great. And this one, of course, also has a white roof with white mirror caps to kind of give some contrast. This one is, of course, sold, and a customer will be coming shortly to come pick it up, but I just wanted to make a little video to not only orientate him and you with the vehicle, but also to commemorate his special day. So let's keep on going and looking at everything on this vehicle. So over here, nice chromed out fuel cap door, and once we get on the inside it's going to be really cool, but I'm saving that. So let's just keep on looking at the rest of the vehicle for now. And we've also got the dual exhaust tips just at the back in the center, which is very iconic of the Cooper S. And we've also got the British Union Jack flags on the tail lights as standard for 2022. So let's take a look at what we've got back here. So let me just open this up. So we've got this little cargo cover here, which can be removed by taking these strings out and just unhinging it from below. Now down here, so this one does have storage compartment package, so you can lift this up, and it is propped up right here, so it can stay up here. And we have the carpeted floor mats down here because we've got the winter ones already installed in the floor. But there's a little compartment down here where we have your wheel lock keys, your replaced bolts, and your tow hook. But what's cool is if you have the storage package, you can actually remove this, which I don't think I can do with one hand. Maybe I can. Oh, we got it. And then you can lift it up, and then you can put it in this spot instead. So if you go ahead and fold down the seats, which you can do by pulling up that peg there, now it is more level with the back, in case that is something that you required. Now also with that storage package, you also get this little thing here to hold your seat belt, a little stirrup, so it's not in the way if you are putting the seats down. And you've got this little hinge down here that you can lift up, so you can change the shape of the space in the rear. So let me just show you what that looks like with the seat up. So with the seat up, you can see that it is actually much more of a square space if you have that piece extended out and locked in. So to undo it, you just pull up the peg, and you literally just flip this thing back down, and then you flip the seat back up so it locks back into the default position. So just to continue on, so that's the seat back in its position. We do also have some tie down areas here, and another one that is just inside of here as well. And up here, there's some handles like this on either side, which will allow me to close the hatch without touching the exterior of the vehicle. So in case the car is dirty or very clean, you don't have to touch the outside of it. Fuel cap door is found on the passenger side. It is connected to the central locking system, so when the car is locked, this is also locked. We recommend you use 91 octane. You open this by turning it counterclockwise. There's a little spot here to put it, and when you're done, you turn it clockwise one click and you shut the door. Now we have comfort access on this vehicle, which means if you have the key within proximity, you can press this button to lock or unlock the car. The car is already unlocked, so let me get that door open and give you a look inside. So from the passenger side, you can see that Chester Malt Brown Leather, which looks fantastic. Look at the stitching on the seats and the piping. That looks really good. And of course, being the Cooper S, we do have the nice Mini Cooper S door sill down here at the bottom. that's what the rubber floor mats look like. And look at that Chester Malt Brown Leather on the dash. That looks really, really good. And if I pull the shoulder release here, that unlocks the rails when the seat is in an acute angle, so I can slide it forwards or backwards. The moment I put the seat back into the reclined position, it will lock into place, just to help you guys try and find your seating position quickly. But I just wanted to give you guys a chance to see what the rear seats look like here. They look awesome. Okay, so I'm in the back of the Mini Cooper 3-door, and look at this. My hair is not touching the ceiling by default. I can make it touch, but if I stretch my neck, I can't get my head to touch, which actually this has a lot more room than some of the other vehicles that I've reviewed from the BMW side. So that's really impressive. And I would say, you know what, I'm actually comfortable back here. But my leg room is a little bit crammed, so I am cheating a little bit because I have the front seat a little bit, or the seat in front of me a little bit more forward than the driving position that I was in the driver's seat. But I have to say, there's surprisingly a lot of room back here, and there is a cup holder just down here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's a cup holder here on either side, and then there's also one just in the center here as well. So I'm pretty impressed. It's not bad back here considering this is the Mini Cooper 3-door. Okay, so if we approach from the driver's side, it's not really easy to see, but there is a mini welcome light that appears on the floor there. So let me just open the door. So there's more of that beautiful leather there. But what I want to actually focus on is that this comes with a manual transmission, 6-speed. Look at that. At some point, this is going to be some sort of historical relic. And look at the beautiful 3-pedal setup. So if you don't know what that left pedal is, that is the clutch pedal. I hope you already knew that, but people surprise me every day. But I'm so happy to see that this is a manual transmission. Save the manuals. And let's keep on going here. So we've got our lighting controls here. We have our bad weather light, which replaces the fog light, which does the same function. We've got automatic headlights. This is to brighten or dim your dash. We've got this release lever to tilt and telescope your steering column, but more importantly, heated steering wheel button back here. Please don't miss that. And we've got the new design for the steering wheel for 2022, which looks great. And we've got the digital dash, and this one of course also has the heads-up display. But let's go back and look at this one more time. 6-speed manual transmission, beauty. Okay, so much like the BMWs, the Minis require a 2-pull in 2022 to pop the hood. So 1 to pop, let go, a 2nd to unlatch. So let's go take a look under the hood. I also like that the S's have that little power gnome and this little scoop in the hood. That's kind of cool. So let me lift this up. So let's take a look. We have this 4-cylinder 2-liter twin power turbo 189 horsepower motor. Your washer fluid is way down here, so you don't have to spill stuff on things that you think might be important to not spill on. We've got our positive battery terminal here, and we've got our negative battery terminal here, just to make sure that you guys are aware of that. But take a look at that. Looks really awesome. And let's go ahead and close that hood. Alright everyone, so that was my quick tour of this beautiful Mini Cooper S 3-door. Look at that paint. I love this color. If you liked the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so this is the 2022 BMW.